So I was gifted this vision by God, and so the headliner in my car is like falling down, and it's terrible because I'll be driving and it will shoot foam adhesive into my eyes and mouth and lungs. So I'm gonna take the headliner out and replace it with something far more beautiful. Okay, after a long, arduous journey, we have gotten it removed. Sunroof unlocked. Right now, what I'm doing, I got this brush. I've just been scraping all this foam off and vacuuming it up with my little shop vac. Okay, we're clipping down the blanket. These little clothespins. Yeah, this is the vision. Got this adhesive, and what I'm doing is peeling it up and then spraying it, and then I smooth it out to the edge. So it's coming along really nicely. It's getting applied really smooth. Really happy with the results. Yeah. All glued down she is. Looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna just trim off all this excess. Alright. Now I just need to cut out the holes and put that bad boy in there. Alright, there she is. Got the sunroof all cut out. Got all the holes cut out. I did kind of like a little triangular pattern so I can fold it in. Yeah, alright, now I just gotta stick it in there. Alright, making progress. Got it all tucked in and stuff. Oh, now I just need to put on the handles and whatnot, and the doodads. Oh, now I'm just about to like give it all a little brush and vacuum out my car, and then boom. All right. Finished product. Got all the handles in. Lights. Really happy with how it came out. Still need to glue this part in. Just got it clipped up right there. But really happy with how it came out. So all in all, it took me probably 4-6 hours over the span of 2 days. You know, don't stretch yourself too thin. Some words of advice I'd give: be patient. You can't rush greatness, you know? And yeah, M&M's on the ceiling, M&M's on the roof. Yeah, got stars on the roof. Yeah, and I got M&M's on the roof. Yeah.